The ad hoc committee ya wo share IGP and then babontin mu no ye wura Samuel Atachia na wo se committee no ato won sadia Fred Dr. George Kufu Dampare se womra nyame yadom ochena na wono so nsam na akoso ni nyina no o meyina no ewo manade onim efa ho Adom TV etwaso
Titrani awoda ad hoc committee ano ura atachia etwemu a senti a wofre IGP George Kufu Dampare amana betena adwemu atoto na no ene se wo mane kwan ama nsemu adansefo no aka afa ne ho nyina no watimi ayina no ebra wo kasa ewo Joy News the probe so and what did you just say? Chief Daniel Bugri na Abu Superintendent George Asare, and CUP George Alex Mensa, and our Superintendent Emmanuel Rigbinano, Omane woman for a baby, or Tressa and Sembebre, and a woman come on for Aswati, and so they could deportee 170 or Mabija 4 NT, Senti, and Wube Yasa, 174 Wunina, about Betana, Abija 4 no enim, no other to one, and so Obesha and Samoa, Obeka was a crow may bambono, Obesha and Wayanisa.
On Tuesday, all the individuals who had done what I would call the preliminary talking on oath, the 4 of them, they should come back with their lawyers. And also, the most prominent person whose name is being bandied about, the IGP himself. So the IGP himself should also come with his lawyers.
On Tuesday?
On Tuesday.
And where she was aka to us to say, and yes, I be your phone, Quacotanase, Aquaco IGP for Fran, I say, committee no Jumboni be so best saying the Dibre or May emu, Nemum, and Yadia committee no Ebepenese, Obing IGP and more say, or Brawama IGP crying, and more no so, and for this and Mametuja.
You're giving them all the videos that we have transcribed on paper. You're giving the transcription to them. We've also done what is very, very needful. All the proceedings captured so far, we've given it to them so that they will know who said what and who said what before they appear before.